I'm gonna record them when they fight. This is funny. Look at them. They're playing, fighting. Look, he's trying to hug him. Oh, little boy gets mad. He's got a long tail like Buddy. You sure they're not related?
I think they're cats. They're all related.
Oh, here he goes. He's in the pounce and stalking mode. He's looking at you. You crazy. So I can't. I don't get in.
I can't imagine a house without cats. It just, it's like, it's just not a house.
They're our children. And they're good mouse catchers, except for yours.
Yeah.
Yours is. I don't think I've ever.
Nobody mouse catcher like Chloe.
No.
She is the mouse catcher. I think the other mice have gone out and told them, don't go to that house because they will get me.
Yeah, but dude next door is poisoning them. So what happens is the mouse comes over here and my cats get it.
Spraying poison?